Hi, I'm Ishan,
And I'm Brandon.
and we're here at the Finger Lakes Regional.
Let's go check out some other teams.
We're here with the Syosset Supersonics.
I'm Ashna. I'm Sapriya.
We have some questions for them. What's your favorite part of the competition so far?
My favorite part of the competition is like meeting new teams and being friends with them. I think it's really cool how we can also compete but be like teammates at the same time. Yeah, I agree with that.
What got you guys into FIRST?
I had like a general interest for STEM and I joined the robotics club and like I really love the people here and the community, so I decided to stay.
I think it's definitely the community that I found through FIRST and like definitely the friendships that I made. So yeah.
Thank you for your time.
I'm here with Team 1056, the Hot Rocks. Who am I here with today?
I'm Mason. I'm Alec.
So far at the Finger Lakes Regional, what has been the highlight of your competition so far?
Our robot has been working for the first regional more than probably, in my 3 years, it's never worked so well.
Honestly, just being the experience. This is my first time. It's been really cool watching all the other robots and all the other ideas.
And what got you into the FIRST Robotics competition?
I've been doing robotics ever since middle school, and this was just a natural step that I took.
Same thing here. I've been doing robotics almost every year since middle school as well. Just next step as well as the high school robotics, and just really enjoy it. It's fun.
Thank you, Team 1056.
Thank you, Syosset Supersonics and the Hawaiian Hot Rocks.
And we will steam you next Sunday.